Ms. Diksha Baliga of Besant Women's College, who has secured 9th rank in MCom, to come over and occupy the seat. I would call upon Ms. Anupa Baliga, HOD, Department of PG Studies and Commerce, Besant Women's College, to take over. Over to you, madam.
A little progress each day adds up to big results. I would like to introduce our rank holder, Ms. Diksha Baliga, who has secured 9th rank in Mangaluru University MCom examination in the year 2020-21. She is the proud daughter of Mr. B. Rajesh Baliga and Mrs. B. Rupa Baliga and sister of Ms. Varsha Baliga. She is a resident of Mangaluru. She completed her schooling at Canara High School, Urva, PU from Canara Pre-University College and a degree from Canara College. Then she joined Besant Women's College for her master's degree. As a student, she was well-disciplined, hard-working and self-determined pupil. She has been awarded for being amongst the brightest student for academic excellence in BCom and in MCom. At present, she is in search of an opportunity that best utilizes her skills. Her hobbies are reading novels, cooking and writing codes. I take this opportunity to wish Diksha Baliga, may good fortune always accompany you in every venture of your life. May you find new opportunities for growth, wishing you a future filled with success and prosperity. On behalf of our college, management, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, PTA and students, I once again congratulate you on your achievement and wish you all success. Thank you.
Ms. Manila of Besant Women's College had secured 3rd rank in BSc Food Nutrition and Dietetics. I would call upon Ms. Kirti Sri Nayak, HOD, Department of Food Nutrition and Dietetics, Besant Women's College, to speak a few words on Manila. Over to you, Kirti Sri.
Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. And Manila is a perfect example of success, which definitely makes me, the department, as well as the institute to feel proud and happy. Manila is the daughter of Mr. Manjunath Karvi and Mrs. Renuka and hails from Gangoli, Kudnapur. Her father is a tailor by profession and mother a homemaker. Manila did her secondary education in SVPU College of Gangoli and completed her bachelor's in Food Nutrition and Dietetics from Besant Women's College, and during this period she was very actively involved in various extracurricular activities and was the Secretary of Youth Red Cross for the year 2019-21. She was also awarded as the Best Outgoing Youth Red Cross. Currently, she is pursuing her master's in Waksha, Mahe, Manipal University. Despite being occupied with other activities, Manila has never neglected her responsibilities towards her academics, and her securing the rank says it all. She was a student that the department always adored and had been extremely proud of. I would now request Miss Manila's proud parent, her support system, Mr. Manjunath Kavi, onto the stage to accept the felicitation on her behalf, as Miss Manila couldn't attend the program due to her prior commitments.